Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the distance versus displacement practice. Let's do question number 5 together. Moses goes cruising on his dirt bike. He rides 700 meters north, 300 meters east, 400 meters north, 600 meters west, 1200 meters south, 300 meters east, and finally 100 meters north. What distance did he cover? What was his displacement? Distance is a scalar quantity, so all you have to do for distance is to add up these numbers. So 700 meters plus 300 meters plus 600, oops, I skipped the 400, plus 400 plus 1200 plus 300 plus 100. The distance is blank meters. I'll let you do the sum here. Now for displacement, we're going to need to add the vertical directions and then the horizontal directions, and we'll keep them separate. So I will highlight first our vertical directions, 700 meters, 400 meters, 1200 meters, and 100 meters north. We will choose north to be positive, south directions negative. So the displacement in the vertical direction, I'll call this displacement vertical. Vertical displacement is 700 plus 400 minus 1200, because south is the negative, minus 100. And what you'll see is that this is, or sorry, plus 100. This is 0 meters of vertical displacement, north or south direction. For the horizontal displacement, we are going to add up the horizontal directions, and east is positive, west is negative, east is positive, so that's 300 meters minus 600 meters. Sorry about that. Minus 300 meters, and you'll see that's 0 meters horizontally, 0 meters east or west. Okay, now you have to also graph this. So with your graphing paper or a regular sheet of paper, you're going to just plot out the displacements. So on my sheet of paper, I would come and I would write the number 5. What's this? Here we go. Okay, this is for question 5. Let me make this brighter. I'll go with orange, and I'm going to draw a coordinate system, x and y axes. So all the way down, take up a bunch of space here. I passed out graphing paper in class, so if you're at home and you don't have any graphing paper, just use notebook paper. Okay, hopefully this is enough space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so this will be the north direction in meters for question number 5. East, no parentheses around the east in meters. This is south in meters, and this is west in meters. Now what we need to do is plot out, map out the path that Moses took in this practice problem. Let me see, I guess I'll choose maybe ocean is an easy color to see. So first thing, Moses rides 700 meters north. I'm going to say each of these lines is 100 meters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He rides 100 meters north. So I draw an arrow from the origin, the 0, 0, up to the 700 meter line. Ooh, that's very hard to see. Go with blue. Just drawing a line from the origin, that's where the x and y axes meet, up to this is 700 meters. And then he rides 300 meters east, 1, 2, 3, so I'm going to write over, draw the line over, 1, 2, this is 300 meters east now, and then 400 meters north, 1, 2, 3, 4, so drawing an arrow now in this direction, just following the order that it reads in the problem. 400 meters north, and then 600 meters west. So that's going to put me back here if I move 1 meter, 2 meters, 300, 400, 500, 600 meters this way. Okay, and then I'm going to travel, he travels 1,200 meters south, so I need to go past 12 lines, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm down here 100 meter space, and then 300 meters back east, I'm going to pass 1, 2, back to here, and finally 100 meters north. Moses comes back to where he started. So the sum of all of these arrows that I've drawn will be the distance traveled, but the displacement is 0 because he goes right back to where he starts. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and study well.